Kids Vision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am drawing a princess and queen. Let's color with me. Let's start by coloring. You can color with me. First I am coloring its hair with dark brown color. I love to color princess hair.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I love brown hair very much. I love its long hair. Let's color in upper side.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo.
Let's color other side. I love its hair very much. Do you like its hair? With brown color?
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
I hope you like its hair.
Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo.
The hair is almost done.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Color in crown here.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling.
I love its gorgeous hair.
Loo loo, skip to my loo.
Let's color in crown.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Found my partner, love is true.
Pink color.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love
Let's
is
color
true.
the crown
Skip to my
with
loo, my
golden color.
darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
I am coloring in earring, dark purple color. Let's color in lips.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the
I am
buttermilk shoe,
coloring
fly
its teeth
shoe.
with
Skip
skin
to my
color.
loo, my
I love its
darling.
toothpaste.
Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream
This
jar,
princess
ooh
is
ooh
so
ooh.
beautiful.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my
I
loo.
am coloring in neck and its shoulder.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
I love this princess.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Let's color its dress with dark purple color.
Skip to my loo.
First I am coloring its dress sleeves.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo,
Let's
my
color
darling.
another sleeve. Let's color its chest with purple color.
Skip to my loo, loo loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Off to Texas 2 by 2. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Golden color.
Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to
Let's
my
color
loo.
in eyes.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
princess. Let's color with me. Now you can start by coloring. First, I am coloring its hair dark yellow color. I love to color its hair. I love very much.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's color another side. Its hair is looking so nice. Do you like to watch my videos? I love to color its hair and its hairband. I love its hairstyle. Let's color in dress light blue color. It is a princess dress. Let's color another side.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Princess holding a flower bouquet. Let's color its chest. Let's color the other side. Red color I am coloring in hairband. Let's color in flower. This is a rose flower. The princess looking so nice, and the flower is too. Green color. Let's color the green leaf. Dark green color. Let's color the big leaf with dark green color. Oh, it's looking such a beautiful princess. Let's color its dress. You can color with me. Do you like to wear a princess dress? Oh, it is looking so pretty and so beautiful. If you like my videos, then like, subscribe and share. Now I'm going to color its body. Let's color its face, same color. Let's color the other side. Let's color the neck. I love this princess very much. Let's color the arm. Let's color the another arm. Now you can color with me its lips. Pink color. Let's color its eyes. It's looking like Aishwarya Rai. Color. I am coloring its face. This is the cute princess. Let's color its ears. Now I am coloring its neck and its hand. Another side. Let's color its hair. Color with me. I am coloring its hair brown color. Here. Let's color another side. Let's color its eyebrow. Light pink color. Now I am coloring its lips. Let's color its chest with sea green color. Let's color its straw. I love keep coloring. I love to draw a princess dress. Do you like to wear a princess dress? So cute. Hope you enjoyed this video. Frog is almost done. Let's color in crown. See color.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling.
That's such a beautiful light pink color. I am coloring in the circle of this crown.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Cats in the cream jar.
Let's color in
ooh, ooh,
eyes.
ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh ooh ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Light pink color. I am coloring its sleeves and its neck. Let's color its small place.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red
Yellow
wagon
color.
painted
I am
blue.
coloring in
Skip to
frill.
my loo, my darling. Loo loo, skip to my loo. Loo loo.
It is looking so nice.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2.
I'm drawing a princess. A flower fairy princess. Let's color its hair. Dark brown color. I am coloring its pony. Let's color its flower. Dark purple color. She is holding a flower and in her dress. Let's color its dress flower.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Green color. I am coloring in leaf. Green color. Let's color the flower leaf. Light green color. I love its flower dress very much. Let's color in flower. Dark purple color. Brown color. Let's color stalk. Light blue color. Let's color its wing. Let's color the other side. Ocean blue color. Let's complete the wings. light pink color. It's time to color its dress. I am coloring its chest. Let's color the frock.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I love this flower fairy. Let's color the petal of her dress. Dark purple color. I like its dress very much. Let's color its shoes and its lips. Skin color. I am coloring its cute face. Then I am coloring its neck and its hair and its leg. Let's color its eyes dark green color.
Subscribe us for more videos.